Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, we will be learning how to clear downloads on YouTube Kids. To clear downloads on YouTube Kids, first of all, open up the YouTube Kids application on your mobile device and log into your account. From the home page, go ahead and tap on My Stuff at the bottom of the screen. Now go ahead and tap on the Downloads option at the top right. In order to clear your download history, you can simply go ahead and tap the three dots right underneath the thumbnail of the video and then tap on Remove from Offline. After you do that, the video will then be deleted from the downloads list. Repeat this step for every other video you'd like to delete from the download list. Tap the three dots, tap on Remove from Offline, and there you have successfully deleted your download list. Deleting your downloads on YouTube Kids helps you free up storage and keep the app smoothly running for your child. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.